Hey, good afternoon, my dear friends all around the world who are here to listen to me and who are patient enough to get some really good insights from what I have actually learned since few days. Since few days, I have been kind of busy. I've been traveling. Markets have been really bad, and things, even though when things are pretty much situations and hopes are pretty much bleak, we always after we fall we always rise up. And there is a song like rise up, I don't remember the whole lyric. I try to fly above so high. So that's how the spirit has to be. I try to fly above so high, directions why. So and I hope the even the market goes up, but Bitcoin is at key levels. It's hovering around 60,000, and it's like there is a quantum thread everywhere. Everywhere there is bearish news. The fear and greed index is at extreme fear. It has never been so low since past many years. I think 6 years. It was at 5. I think it was at extreme. Usually this is the time when we need to have buy, because Bitcoin has touched the 200 week moving average, and accordingly this should be the bottom. But mostly it goes, the few weeks will go down, and based on some expert, a 4-year cycle is pretty much intact. Then the experts have sent Ben Cowen and some other experts. They have said either we can see the bottom of Bitcoin at in October or May. It should be May or it should be in October. So in my opinion, there should be a rebound, in my opinion, because market never goes always up and never goes always down. So it has been really having some brutal corrections, so there should be some really good pullback up with some good news, and there has been easing. So even if we are not making much money in crypto, forget about the altcoins, because altcoins have been murdered. The only thing which is there's one altcoin which is actually really having some momentum. There are in fact two altcoins. One is Anti-Hunter. One of the VC investor is this guy who Jake Paul, who has fought with Mike Tyson and Joshua. So he's one of the investor, and the treasury of this this altcoin is like an agent which is self-sustaining AGI, artificial generative intelligence, and it has treasury more than actually what on the base chain, more than that of Ethereum on the base chain. Treasury was over $500,000. So that is pretty much good for the agent to self-sustain, not depend on the money from other sources. So that is a very healthy thing. And there's another one which is tied up with the same. It goes by ticker BIO. It's again AGI, and because Anti-Hunter has a buyback and burn mechanism as well, so price appreciation would be there. There is a lot of the VCs are really powerful enough to pump this, and the other coins are literally murdered and brutally murdered. Block, Claw, Molt, Book, what all coins I've mentioned in the earlier videos, they are murdered. This is how the market is. And when you are investing, you do your own research. You should have that guts, the liver to digest all these things in the market. And I hope I'll call it a day for the news, what is happening. And regarding some health advice, I've heard from this Japanese scientist who gives some really good health insight of one village where people over 100, they are over 100 and still they are very pretty much healthier. That woman was over 100 and she was actually farming. And what's the secret of health? Like they usually have a period of long-term fasting, 16 hours of fasting they practice, and after when they start to eat something, they start usually with some vegetable juice kind of with carrot or seaweed probably, and then they go after 20 minutes they go for some other stuff to eat. And the food is concentrated on the small window period, and there is 15 to 16 hours of fasting continuously, and that creates autophagy, and the body is in a rejuvenation state. Your mitochondria are pretty much pumping and active, and when they eat, they don't eat full stomach. They usually leave some portion of their stomach empty. They don't eat completely full. You call it, like in Arabic, batan mafi matrus. So that's how it is. So it's like the body, if it doesn't have anything to eat, it feeds on the toxins and the glycogen storage and everything. The liver, the liver even clears off the glycogen. And so yeah, that's it for today. Enjoy the view and peace.